Today we'll discuss about the femoral triangle and the femoral canal. Well, don't confuse the both terms. Femoral, in short, the femoral triangle is an area formed by the inguinal ligament, the sartorius, and the adductor magnus in the proximal part of the thigh. This area is bounded by the encased by the femoral sheath, and this triangle is known as the femoral triangle. Now, the most medial compartment of this triangle forms the femoral canal. Hi friends, this is the odd channel. Now let's discuss the topic in detail. Now the structure of the femoral triangle, as we just discussed, it is formed by the superiorly by the inguinal ligament. You can see in this diagram, the superiorly it is formed by the inguinal ligament, medially by the medial border of the sartorius muscle, and uh, medially by the lateral border of the adductor magnus. Now, what are the contents? The contents of the femoral triangle are: most laterally we have the femoral nerve. Then it has three compartments. The most lateral one contains the femoral artery, and the middle compartment contains the femoral vein, and the most middle compartment is itself known as the femoral canal. It only contains the efferent lymphatics. Now, how can we remember this arrangement of the neurovascular structures? By the mnemonic VAN, VAN. It stands for the structures from medial to the lateral area. Femoral triangle is located in the anterior thigh within the femoral triangle. Okay. Now the clinical significance is that the femoral triangle, the most proximal part of the femoral triangle is known as the femoral ring, and through this the femoral hernia occurs, which is in itself not a very common entity, but it can any bowel that passes out through this femoral ring can potentially strangulate it. Now, while we are discussing the femoral canal and triangle, we can also discuss the adductor canal, because the apex of the femoral triangle ends into the adductor canal and continues as the adductor canal. This adductor canal is also known as the subsartorial or the hunter's canal. This is an epineurotic tunnel in the middle third of the thigh, and it extends from the apex of the femoral triangle, the distal apex, to the adductor hiatus distally. And this adductor canal serves as a passageway for structures moving between the anterior thigh and the posterior leg. It transmits the femoral artery, femoral vein, and the nerve to the vastus medialis and saphenous nerve. Now, the clinical question that we can answer from this is, the question goes like this: while drawing blood for venous blood gases, and that is femoral VBG, do we prick medial or lateral to the artery? Now we remember the mnemonic VAN. This is the arrangement of the neurovascular structures from medial to lateral in the femoral triangle. So we will palpate first for the artery, the femoral artery, and then we prick just medial to the femoral artery to get a VBG. When we have to get an ABG, we will directly prick on the femoral artery. Now, while we are discussing the VAN mnemonic for the femoral triangle, we can also learn another mnemonic, that is AVN, which is for the neurovascular arrangement in the popliteal fossa. This arrangement is also from medial to lateral. You can also remember a little story which will keep you from confusing between the two mnemonics. That once there were a few culprits who started in a van from the femoral triangle, and then they went distally along the leg, and while they upon reaching the knee, they all got avian because they were drinking heavily. We all know Alcohol is a cause of avascular necrosis of the joints. So three culprits, they went in van, they drank and drove, and upon reaching the knee they all got avian. Both these mnemonics are from medial to lateral. Medial to lateral. So that's all folks. Hope you like this video, and please leave some comments. Thank you.